And time now for a check on the weather with Dave Warren in for Lisette. I just warned my Facebook followers to have lunch indoors today.
Indoors, inside. Not a bad idea. These showers are popping up, so you might want to try to avoid the sidewalks, the pavements, you know.
Unless you want to eat in the rain, but that's, your sandwich would get soggy.
And the heat, yeah, the sandwich gets soggy. Just keep it inside. But showers, just like yesterday, could lead to minor flooding. And also the tropics are pretty active right now, though. Not an immediate threat to land and expected to turn to the northeast, Hurricane Gert, but causing some rough surf and rip current statements to be issued up and down the east coast here. Likely that'll continue to work its way up towards New England. Latest advisory, 75-mile-an-hour wind. That's a minimal hurricane, turning to the northeast now, and will continue to move into the North Atlantic. Now, the next day or two, we'll continue to watch this, but after that, our focus will be here. This is the Atlantic, just off of Africa. 1, 2, 3 areas of concern. Let's focus on these first two. Over the next 2 days, 20% chance of development, 40% over the next 5 days. So it looks like it'll continue to track due west and move into the Caribbean. The other area of concern, a little farther east than that, shows some development potential, but the track is a little farther north. Come up with these potential tracks by looking at a number of computer models. You see this cluster here. This is from the first area, so likely that will, it's suggesting this, if it does intensify, tracks to the Caribbean. But 1 or 2 computer models will continue to take this to a little farther north. The other system, though, looks like this might be steered a little farther north. Now, this is by Saturday and Sunday, so likely we'll continue to watch this. And over the weekend, look for these updated forecasts. If they hold together, certainly we'll begin to watch this with a little more concern here because it's getting a little closer. But for right now, we just see sunshine and a few clouds here in Key West. But raindrops, that's the rain we're talking about, coming a bit more widespread and will continue to develop as that sea breeze comes in. We're pushing up into the upper 80s. This is right over the airport. It was at 90, but now there's some rain cool there, so giving some relief to the heat there. Rain right over Miami and to the south. These showers are developing and they'll become region-wide and work their way inland here. A little stronger showers up there towards Broward County. So they are developing now. They will continue to push inland, and then by about 3 or 4 o'clock, all the activity goes to the interior and then maybe tries to work its way back across the area early tonight. And we're pretty quiet overnight tonight. Up to 94, you might get a little relief there as these showers come through and drop the temperatures just a bit. 2-foot seas not bad on the water. South wind about 5 to 10 knots. In the extended forecast, we'll have more showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday. Hazy sunshine on Friday, so we're up to 94 degrees. Over the weekend, of course, we'll keep an eye on the tropics. We have more storms in the forecast, and cloud forecast will be important there for the solar eclipse on Monday with a high of 90.